Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you could get Filmora for your computer. So if you are trying to download and use Filmora application, the same which you have in your Android phone, then this video is for you. Open your search tab or go to your search tab in Windows 7, 8, 11, and 10 and type Windows Store. Click on the Microsoft Store to open the app. It doesn't matter if you type Windows Store or Microsoft Store, they both guide you to the same section. We will wait until the Microsoft Store loads. Step, go to Apps, wait until it's fully loaded, and go to the search tab and type Filmora. Hit Enter. You will have to wait a few seconds, and once Filmora is here, Wondershare Filmora Video Editor, click on Install. You will need to wait a few seconds to up to 2 or 3 minutes until the application is totally and automatically downloaded and installed. And once downloaded and installed, we will see the button open, and then we'll be able to use it. I will just pause the video here, and I will come back once it's completely downloaded and installed. After a few seconds or few minutes, Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this application to make changes to your computer. Just hit OK and wait, and you will see that the installing is still ongoing. Normally, this process should not take more than 5 to 6 minutes. The downloaded installation is done. You will see that here it will say installed. I just went from this menu where it showed Filmora. Let's retype the name of the application again. Okay, so we went from this. Once you click on it, it will load you to this panel or this menu, and here you see installed. So now it's completely installed. So all what you need to do, go to your search bar and type Filmora, and you should be able to see your application. Click on it to start, and you will be able to use your application accordingly. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email, and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, you can always join our channel, or you can always press like and share. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon in a new